everybody. I'd like to welcome you all to the unveiling of this public mural that I commissioned for Edmonton. Here's the artist, James K.M. from Vancouver. This is Leonard Cardinal, a Cree elder from which nation? Enoch Nation. And we'd just like to thank you all for coming today. And Leonard's going to smudge the building. He's going to help any uncomfortable or old feelings that are still here. He's going to just allow them to move on and some good feelings to come in. And also welcome the mural. I just want to say thank you. And thanks to everybody coming. From Vancouver to say them. It'll take a couple of minutes, maybe 3. They told me when I arrived in Edmonton about a week ago that it wouldn't rain until the mural was finished. And in fact, the last brush stroke went on yesterday afternoon. Edmonton sure got lots of free rain and wind last night and today. And you may know that the name of this mural is called Free Rain. I see the abstracted shapes in the painting as rain-like, though it is equally valid to see these shapes as suggesting other objects in the physical world. As rain, I see the shapes falling in 4 directions, up, down, and side to side. There's a few people I want to thank right now. One of them is on the phone. So there's a few people I'd like to thank. First and foremost, Clare. Joe, you have my utmost respect and admiration for your persistent and selfless creativity and generosity, which led to giving this mural to the people of Edmonton and beyond. You're welcome. Thank you, Joe.
Yay!
Those of you who really know Clare know that he also lives quite a rigorous life. And he surrounds himself with like-minded people who I've had the privilege of working with on this project, namely Graham Burns and Mike McLean. Tirelessly and sometimes from early morning to sundown, and are mainly responsible for the precision and labor of love you see here today, we will see in a minute. My profound thanks to you, Graham and Mike, and to Ron Snyder, who was always available and photographed every little step of the way so you could all follow the process as it unfolded. And to John from Black Gold Limousine, who gave me a fantastic ride from the airport to here. I don't know if I deserved it. Thank you. And also to my wife Carol for your love. Finally, I want to get personal and mention a debt that I have to the Native people who we live beside wherever we are. I stopped painting in the late 80s and worked with digital art until about 3 years ago. What precipitated my return to painting in 2006 was an extended visit to the Blood Reserve in southern Alberta, which was followed by some very meaningful dreams. These dreams usually included several Native elders who directed me back to painting in no uncertain terms. I am grateful that as a result, by returning to painting, I've managed to retrieve my physicality. Because to quote the irrepressible Marshall McLuhan, who was born in Edmonton, a culture that loses its physicality breeds serial killers. Please take from that what you wish. Since 2006, I've had 2 solo exhibitions, both of which were officially opened by a Native representative in the immediate region. Today we have invited Leonard Cardinal, an elder from the Enoch Cree Nation, who will now perform a smudging ceremony. Welcome, Leonard. Thank you, everybody. smudge the whole building?